home. Goodbye home. We just need to win a lottery, huh?
Yeah, something nice and big and fat. We can buy whatever we want.
Right?
Yeah,
Then we can keep that.
yeah. Just pay everybody off and smile all the way to the bank.
Right?
Yeah.
Na kami. Good kid. It doesn't feel like it's too warm.
You don't need to go anywhere else, do you?
No. It's hard to go anywhere else when
Yes.
we don't have money.
No money. I'm tired already. Tired. Wait till you get here.
Right?
Yeah. That house,
Yeah, it's a big house. 2-story.
yeah.
They have a lot of windows too.
Do they? Oh, that's nice.
I don't think the lot is big. That was Tracy's lot.
Or was it?
Yeah,
Oh, I
did
didn't
they
know that. Yeah.
sell it? I wanted to grab a lot of frozen food, but we don't have a freezer.
Yeah, where are you going to put it?
Huh?
Where would you put it?
Right? I keep thinking about that.
Well, we could always carry that little freezer over. With
Yeah, I'll ask
something.
Mark later because
Yeah, I bet you and I could
the
probably do
the only one that's working is
it. A little
the small
refrigerator.
the small refrigerator. Busy. Here. Green. Gonna make it.
Yes, yes.